You can't dissect when the fish is still alive. So we need to kill by eating the head, like what we have done. The first thing you do when you want to dissect is you cut it in a slant position. Then in the head region, this is where you have the dentition. Is that okay? So when I mention operculum, this is what I mean. So once it traps it, it begins to do what? To respire. Is that okay?
Welcome to Angel Face Academy, a place of fun, life transformation, and quality teaching. The students of Angel Face Academy, they're very excited as today is a biology practical. Practical is based on examining and learning about the dissection of catfish, but they decided to spice it up by cooking rice and plantain to balance the equation. The biology teacher briefly explained about catfish and important segments on how the practical is to be conducted to the students.
Okay, hello class. You're welcome to biology practical class, and we'll be talking about aquatic animals. And catfish is an example of an aquatic animal. Why? Because it can only live and survive inside the water. Is that okay? Yes. And in the theory class, where I taught you types of dentition, that we have two types of dentition. We have homodont and heterodont dentition. That catfish is an example of homodont dentition. And what is dentition, class? It is the structure and the arrangement of teeth of an organism. So this catfish exhibits homodont dentition. Why? Because the two sets of teeth in this organism are the same. They are used for the same purpose. They have the same size and the same shape and the same function. That is why it is homodont dentition.
We are proud to say that apart from quality teaching, moral education, we also offer agricultural, chemistry, physics, and biology practical with good lab materials and tutors to support students learning for in-depth understanding. What are you waiting for to be enrolled with us today? Contact us today. Let's begin the journey of adequate learning for your children into our school, Angel Face Academy. Thank you for watching, and may God bless you.